Welcome to JH. Let's talk about AT&T's latest oopsie, the massive data breach settlement. Apparently, keeping your data safe was a bit too much to ask, as this settlement covers not one, but two major security failures. The first incident dates all the way back to 2019, though they waited until March 2024 to actually mention it. Better late than never, right? That little slip-up exposed the sensitive info of over 51 million people, including names and social security numbers. Then, just for an encore, hackers hit their cloud storage in July 2024, grabbing the call and text records of nearly every customer. Because who doesn't want their private conversation logs floating around the dark web? Naturally, AT&T isn't admitting they did anything wrong, but they have graciously agreed to a $177 million class action settlement to make the lawyers go away. This means if you were affected, you can get a slice of the pie without waiting for a court to decide who's at fault. If your info was leaked in 2019 or your records were exposed in 2024, you're likely eligible to file a claim. In a fun twist of fate, if you were impacted by both breaches, you can actually file for each one separately as long as the losses are different. It's like a loyalty program, but instead of points, you get identity theft and a small check. For the 2019 breach, you can claim up to $5,000 if you have documented proof of your losses. If you aren't a fan of digging through old paperwork, you can just opt for a flat cash payment. These are split into Tier 1, for those whose social security numbers were leaked, and Tier 2 for everyone else. Tier 1 pays out 5 times more, because apparently, your SSN is the premium version of leaked data. For the 2024 breach, the numbers are a bit more modest, topping out at $2,500 with proof, or a Tier 3 flat payment for the quick and easy crowd. I guess your text history just isn't worth as much as your birth date. Filing a claim is actually pretty straightforward. Just head over to teledatasocketsettlement.com and click on Submit Claim. You'll need that class member ID they sent you via email or postcard, the one you probably almost deleted thinking it was a scam. Once you have that, just enter your account details or name to confirm you're in the club. If you lost your ID, don't panic. Just use the Contact Us form on the website to get it sorted. You can even file by mail if you still enjoy the nostalgic thrill of the postal service. The clock is ticking, so make sure you file by the deadline of November 18, 2025. If you're mailing it, ensure it's postmarked by then, though filing online is definitely the way to go if you want your money before the next decade. Speaking of timing, don't expect to get rich overnight. Payments won't start rolling out until early 2026, assuming the court gives the final thumbs up and no one files an appeal. So, that's the deal with the AT&T data disaster. If you were affected, go grab your compensation while it's hot. Thanks for sticking with me, and if you want more updates on corporate mishaps, don't forget to subscribe.